Welcome everyone. It is Thursday, and we try to learn a little bit from the holy Levi every Thursday. The Kedushas Levi. We're in Parhsas Vaera, the book of Exodus, chapter 6. We're reading here from verse 7. And I will take you for me to be a people, and you shall know that I am the Lord. So it says, when it comes to God, there's no thought that can really understand God at all. But we, his people, the children of Israel, the Jewish people, grasp the light of the divine presence through the commandments, through the law, through the Torah and the mitzvos, that the divine source of blessing gave to us. That's what's meaning I took you. That in order to give you the Torah. And through this you will know that I am the Lord. That you will have knowledge from the light of the divine presence. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment. And we'll see you later. Have a good day, everybody.
Yibunei HaMikdash, Hirtzia in the Malah.